in the red to meet Kayla Miracle of the USA in the blue for the gold medal in the 62 kilogram weight class. And away they go. And a point scores quickly for Tыныбекова. Wrestler in red, Tыныбекova from Kyrgyzstan, 30 years old, won an Olympic silver medal at the Tokyo Games of, well, it turned out to be 2021, wasn't it, rather than 2020. She's also a 3 times world champion gold medal winner.
Белек кимге жакпасын? Остор дүкөндөрү тармагынан жаңы жылдык акция. Мыкты Vivo смартфонун тандап, кепилденген жаңы жылдык белекке ээ болуңуз. Белекке ноутбук, колонка, кулакчын, смартфон, дагы башка көптөгөн буюмдарды беребиз. Эң сонун жана эң башкысы убагында. Жаңы жылга карата салтуу түрдө белек үчүн Остор дүкөндөрүнө.
1921 and last year as well, 2023, a world champion, and she beat Sakura Motoki in the semi-final narrowly, tight one, 3 apiece. That's the difference that could make her a gold medalist, and left Motoki injured at the end, unable to take her part in the bronze medal match just a few moments ago. And of course that bronze medal then going to Alina Kasabieva of, I was about to say of, but she is a neutral athlete. And here's another strong leg attack from Tыныбекова. Getting under opponent, driving forward, and Miracle unable to do too much about it. So it's 2 points to nil. Both forcing Miracle to step out. Miracle feinting to go low herself here. Tыныбekova tries to go for the underhook, tries to get inside that right arm of Miracle. Both looking for a position where they can apply a hold to get past the arms and at the same time block the opponent coming at them. Looking for a position for the hand or arm, the back of the neck, as in this occasion Miracle with that collar tie around the back of the head. Now Tыныбekova trying to get the arm bar in place, can't. Tries to pull Miracle's head down, tries to snap it down, but Miracle strong. Tыныбekova flies away. This time positions reversed. Miracle trying to bring Tыныбekova down. Can't do it, as today she beat Ivanova in the quarterfinal and Godinez from Canada in the semi-final 4-2. She's actually had one less match today than Tыныбekova. Miracle was able to bypass the first qualifier today. So it's just 2 points to nil here as we go into the second 3-minute period, and Tыныбekova pulling her opponent down. Miracle feinting to go low, trying to get her opponent off balance, trying as she might attempt to block that leg attack. So an activity period ruled here against Miracle. So she has 30 seconds to score. Needs to step it up, both in the activity period and also the fact the scoreboard. She's down by 2. Look at the strength here of both wrestlers, but Tynybekova in the upper position, applying the pressure with the headlock. Upper arm wrapped around the neck. Must be the upper part of the arm that wraps around the neck, not the lower part, which could lead to a chokehold. Activity period almost up, and 1 point scores for Tynybekova, so she goes to a 3-0 lead now. This is the gold medal match in the 62 kilogram weight class, the Zagreb Open. The beginning for most of these wrestlers for the 2024 season, with so much promise ahead. 2 more points for Tynybekova as she goes behind. Now tries to put in place the gut wrench. Can she roll? Miracle can't turn her over yet. Try to get position. And the initial maneuver scores 2 more points, and she leads 5-0 with 1 minute and 6 seconds remaining. Miracle starting to feel the effects of the on-rushing strength of Tynybekova. She looks in perfect condition. And there's a leg attack from Miracle. Can she get a hold on that leg? Straining, stretching. But the gut wrench. Well, no, it's actually a hold. And now the upper crotch lift from Tynybekova as she starts to exert control. Desperate contest there with both wrestlers working in different directions. Attack and defense all at once in both cases. So time running out now for Miracle. She goes again on their leg attack, and she brings a single leg into play. But once again, Tynybekova able to wrestle away from any control, and now she rolls her opponent over and scores 2 points. And that should be a winning lead now as the clock ticks down. It's all over, and a gold medal goes to Aysuluu Tynybekova of Kyrgyzstan.